OMG, so many bubbles. It is like icy water. Welcome to Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fun with Bhuvika. So today we're gonna perform an experiment with my friend Sonu. Come here. So we're gonna perform an experiment with my earth and crystal science kit. So let's open this thing. So let's take our instruction manual. Let's open the 11th page, which is Freezy Fall. The things we need is mini waterfall. Second thing, tray. This is the tray. Measuring cylinder. This is the measuring cylinder. Spatula. And last but not least, cups. Keep them. Now, materials from kit. Crystal powder, baking soda, citric acid, and last but not least, blue color. And materials from home. One thing, water only. I bring water. Yay, water. Step number 1. Add 2 scoops of baking soda and 1 scoop of citric acid each in a cup. Mix well. 1 and 2. And now we need citric acid. 1 scoop, right? Yeah. Let's go. Let me mix it first. Now let's do the same with the second cup. Step number 2. Place the mini waterfall on the tray, then add the mixture to the basins of the waterfall using the spatula. Basins means this thing. Yeah. Spread 1 scoop of crystal powder in the lower base of the waterfall. Then spread another scoop of crystal powder in front of the waterfall on the tray. Okay, you do that. So, we have spread the crystal powder very nicely. The first step, fill an empty cup with water. Add 7 drops of blue color and mix them well. Okay. So, I fill these 2 cups of water as we want to have more fun and more of a freezy fall. I'll do this cup, you will do that cup. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now my turn. You add till then I will mix. My God. 1, blue. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. and over here full water. What did you see? Did you see soft crystals beginning formed in front of the waterfall? Yes, we did. So, did you know the science behind this? Let me know in comments. So the science behind is the crystals formed in front of the waterfall simulate the form of snow. The crystal powder is made of super absorbent material which absorbs all the colored water. In the process, the powder becomes soft color and crystals. So let's play with the freezy fall. Yes, baby. It's like snow, but soft. Snow is also soft. So make sure to like, share and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and stay tuned for more fun-filled videos. Bye.